So you're about to hear my podcast interview that I did with Chris Woodhams. I've known Chris for about 10 years now. We were originally working in the same industry. We had similar backgrounds and we were starting businesses around about the same time. This was a great conversation to me because I didn't know that much of his background. I knew what he was doing at the time, but we really got to dig into Chris's background and how he started an apprenticeship when he was leaving school, finished that apprenticeship and decided to join his dad's software business, and then the journey that he then took building that business, exploring systems engineering, and then eventually going into aerospace and the space industry. And then leading on from that, some of the opportunities that he sees now and in the future in the UK and Europe for companies to get involved in the space industry. The space industry is only for massive corporations like NASA, SpaceX, or kind of government organizations.
Definitely a myth. A lot of the big innovations come from small companies. They may grow into bigger companies, but I think a lot of things start with small businesses.
How do you think you could get people interested in that and understanding what it is?
I think you've got a really good hook because space is cool. Like being an astronaut is super cool, like probably one of the coolest jobs, right? But obviously that's very, very detached from testing a CubeSat that's going up into space. So I think they talked a little bit about this at SpaceCom as well. It's that hook of the astronaut coolness and then trying to sort of break it down into kind of interesting chunks from there. Focus on culture. Doesn't matter if you're in leadership or not. Like you have to have an input to it, and you can drive it as a junior or a graduate or anybody. Like you can push that forward. I think it's one of the things that keeps teams being effective.
Yeah, it's like setting the kind of the North Star and the direction for the team to go in, and having a clear path that you can all follow.
100%.
Catch the full episode this Tuesday on YouTube, Apple Podcasts and Spotify. See you then.